Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink on Monday.
Oh hi.
And today we have Energy in the Rainstorm Peach Nectarine. Nice. Supposedly we're supposed to get some storms later, so we'll see how that works. But anyways, Peach Nectarine. Sounds like a good flavor.
Yeah.
Gotta say,
peach nectarine?
Peach nectarine, yeah. So we got ourselves 10 little calories here. The important factoids: we got ourselves 270 milligrams of sodium, 3 grams of carbohydrate. Ooh, that's not too bad. 25% of vitamin A, 25% of vitamin C, 100% of B3, and then we got 100% of B6, 100% of B12, 100% of B7. Ooh, that's an interesting one. 100% of B5, 50% of zinc, and 100% of chromium.
That's a lot of B.
That's a lot of B vitamins, yeah. And 200 milligrams of caffeine in the entire can.
Oh,
plus also accelerates metabolism, improves focus, and is plant-based with green tea leaf extract. Sounds like it should be tasty. We'll find out. Listen to the sound. Into your cup it goes.
I felt some on my arm though.
Yeah, kind of spilled it. There we go.
The arm says nothing.
It's cold, right? Yep.
Oh, I did say that.
Ooh. That's good.
I guess we're turning this way. Well, what do you think?
That is good stuff. Oh wow, that's green light. That's cool. But yep, you definitely get the nectarine in there and the nice smooth peach.
Oh, yeah. Wow. Smooth is definitely a word, but nice sparkles.
And sparkly too, yeah. That's nice because it tastes like it's got a boatload of sugar in it. And it ain't got it in there. That's tasty.
Wow, yeah, that's a good flavor. I like that. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, that's good deal. Very good engineering on that one.
They did some good stuff there. Because it has that nice cleansing little sparkle to cleanse the tongue. And nice and sparkly feeling.
Yeah, that was good marketing.
Very tasty. When you get the nectarine, and then the nice smoothness of that peach.
You call it a peach punch.
Peach punch, yeah, that's true.
Peach punch.
I can definitely go and
I get that again.
I can go and get that again. I would say that's a 392 for sure, because that is very tasty. I like that. Okie dokie. So 0 sugar.
Yeah.
That's still what's crazy about that. Is that taste 0 sugar.
Nectarine
Also,
drinks either.
yeah, very cool can design. It has the nice little texture on it, so you can kind of grip it, which is nice. So that's cool. So like that. All right, I would suggest that you guys go and check that out because that is very tasty. If you guys like these videos, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys here next time. Bye bye.